Before the mid-19th century, people in the United States ate most foods only in season. Drying, smoking, and salting could preserve meat for a short time, but the availability of fresh meat, like that of fresh milk, was very limited. There was no way to prevent spoilage, but in 1810, a French inventor named Nicolas Appert developed the cooking and searing processes of canning, and in the 1850s, an American named Gail Bowden developed a means of condensing and preserving milk. Canned goods and condensed milk became more common during the 1860s, but supplies remained low because cans had to be made by hand. By 1880, however, inventors had fashioned stamping and soldering machines that mass-produced cans from template. Suddenly, all kinds of food could be preserved and bought at all times of the year. Other trends and inventions had also helped make it possible for Americans to vary their daily diets. Growing lumber populations created demand that encouraged fruit and vegetable farmers to raise more produce. Railroad refrigerator cars enabled growers and meat packers to ship perishables great distance. And to preserve them for longer, strawberries, grapes, and tomatoes, previously available for a month at most, for up to 6 months of the year. In addition, increased use of icebox enables families to store perishables. An easy means of producing ice commercially had been invented in the 1890s, and by 90 the nation had more than 2,000 commercial ice plants, most of which made home deliveries. The icebox became a fixture in most homes and remained so until the mechanized refrigerator replaced it in the 1920s and 1930s. Almost everyone now had a more diversified diet. Some people continued to eat mainly foods that were heavy in starch or carbohydrates. And not everyone could afford meat. Nevertheless, many families could take advantage of previously unable fruit, vegetable, and dairy produce to achieve more varied fares. What does the passage mainly discuss? The phrase "in season" in line 2 refers to